Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in. I'm back with another job lead, guys. Target is currently hiring. You will come to jobs.target.com. I'll put the link to this job in the description of this video, and therefore you can come and take a look at all of the Target careers. You can either click on careers, you can either search or type in remote. That's like my favorite word to type in when I'm looking for jobs, guys. You can just come in and type in remote. You can type in whatever state, city, or zip that you want to type in just to get a gist of where jobs are currently open. You can click on career areas. These are all of the career areas that Target is hiring for: administrative support, asset protection and corporate security, business operations, finance and accounting, food and beverage, global supply chain and logistics, human resources, internship and entry level programs, legal affairs, risk and compliance, marketing and media communications, merchandising and global sourcing, products design, development, project management, real estate design and product and property management. And you got service centers and financial retail services, store hourly, store leadership, strategy and innovation, supply chain hourly, supply chain leadership, target tech, and you have UX design, research, and accessibility. And from there, you have sign up for job alerts, map of open roles, returning applicants. And so you just will come through here, guys. If you want to go through here and click on this little link for feedback, you will be able to type in your feedback there if you wanted to start a survey and so forth and so on. So, guys, if you already started an application, you would just log into here. If you have some questions, you would just check out the career FAQs. Curious about their benefits, explore how we care. It says want to receive job alerts, get the jobs that are open, the latest jobs. Just type in your name and your email here, and they'll be able to send you the actual jobs that are opening and update you on all of the job alerts. So I just wanted to come and do a quick video, guys, that Target is hiring. I'm going to put in here remote really quick. It could be whatever jobs, and these are some of the jobs that are currently available. I just typed in remote. I'm in the United States. So it says global supply planning analyst, remote or hybrid, a UX director, design operations, remote or hybrid. And you can just come through here and take a look at all of the jobs that are currently remote. They're up to 3 pages that are showing remote. From when I type in, 39 results are found for remote positions, guys. So super congrats to anyone who gets one of these amazing roles. Sending lots of love, hugs, prayers, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. You are amazing. Most importantly, guys, make it an amazing day for someone else. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Please like this video, guys, so it show up in the news feed. Thank you so much for sharing this job lead, guys. Please and thank you with anyone that you know that may be looking for a current job or looking for a role or looking for a new position. So I thank you. I appreciate you. You are the best. Love you lots. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now, friends.